So what is a heat pump? Well, a heat pump is essentially a alternative to your boiler. So if you go into the garage or look in your kitchen cupboards, you'll see your boiler. Everyone's familiar with them. Essentially, a heat pump is going to replace that. So one of our engineers is going to turn up. They're going to essentially remove your gas boiler and take it away for recycling. What we're going to do is replace that with a heat pump which lives in the garden. So I always say to people, a heat pump is essentially a boiler that lives in the garden. So now what you're going to have is a unit which looks very, very similar to an air conditioning unit that you might have in your office. That's going to sit in the garden. And the tubes are then going to connect back up to where your boiler used to be and reuse your existing heating system. So you'll still have radiators, you'll still have thermostats in the house just like you do now, but one of the main advantages is you get a new kitchen cupboard where the old boiler used to be.